Good morning, students. Now we will see the advanced manufacturing process subject. In that unit number first lecture, unit name is special forming process. In that topic name is exclusive forming. From Professor Zaure, AR from Mechanical Department. Okay. Now we are going to study about exclusive forming. In that definition, the definition indicates that the shaping metals part in die by using a exclusive charge to generate forming pressure, or it can be also defined as the shaping or modifying of metals by means of explosion. Then next, there are the various techniques used in explosion forming operation. It can be divided into the two groups, that is depending on the position of explosive charge relatively to the workpiece. That is first standoff method and second is contact of method. The next point, standard of method. In this method, the metal plate is placed over a die. Okay, then it with the intervening spaces equated by vacuum pump when whole assembly is placed under water and explodes material is placed at the appropriate height above the plate. For complementing shape or complicated shape, a segment is die can be used. The next is contact method. In this method, the explosive charge is held in a direction contact with the workpiece, while the detonation is initiated. The detonation produces interface pressure on the surface of the metal up to a several million psi. Then next, we'll see the explosive forming process. In that C, there is first explosive material, then there is water level as shown in the figure, then next is ground level, then there is a workpiece, okay, then there is a hold down ring, then next there is a die, okay, then there is a vacuum line. If the vacuum create or by the pressure it can remove from the vacuum line, and there is a tank. The difference between explosive and workpiece is called as standing, and B is shown as for the two forming die. In that we'll see the working. In the first, the explosive get charged as shown in the one diagram. How does it get charged? Then there is a clamp, then there is a die, vacuum line, and vacuum is created in die. Okay. Then next, when it gets charged, the gas bubble forming takes place by shock wave. Due to the shock wave, the material in the water and above the die workpiece, it get change as shown in the figure B. When the gas bubble it get very high, then the size of die it get on the workpiece, so we'll get a required shape as shown in the figure 3. The process, in this process, the rapid change in the explosive into a gas produces a shock wave. The pressure of this shock wave is sufficiently to form the metal sheet. The peak pressure P due to explosion generated in the water is given expressed by as shown in the formula. Therefore, P equals to K W raised to 1 by 2 bracket close upon R raised to A, where P is a PSI, then K is a constant depends on the type of explosive. W is the weight of explosive in pounds. R is the distance of explosive from the workpiece and A is a constant. Then this is how there is some example of rocket engine nozzle, the space shuttle scheme. Okay. Then next see the advantages. It can be simulated a variety of other conventional metal forming techniques such as stamp or press forming and spin forming in a single operation. The explosive heteroforming can be effectively or efficiently form large part up to 4 square or 10 in diameter. It is particularly suitable for short production runs of a large part such as occurs in aerospace application. It maintains precise tolerance and eliminates costly ones. Then next, disadvantages. First, low tooling cost but high labor cost, suitable for low quantity production. Then next, due to the shock wave, the shock waves and swelling edge of water, it is not suitable to carry out indoor. It should be done in open air. The next point, there is a comparison. Explosive forming and superplastic forming. In this first point, in explosive forming and explosive charge is used to instead of punch or press. In superplastic forming, punch or press is used for metal sheet forming. The next point, it can be used for large size of metal sheet. It can be also used for limited die design. The next point, no preheating required before the explosive forming. The next point in this superplastic forming, high production cost. Then next, less production cost, any product size, shape and thickness, sheet thickness is possible. It can be used for definite shape, size and sheet thickness. Thank you for watching this video.